All right. Step 2 with repair, with Timewise Repair. This is the lifting serum. Just one pump. That's all you need. One pump. This feels real good. Up, 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 up. Lifting, lifting, lifting. Want to lift the skin up. That's the way you put this on. Up, up, up. Those areas where you got problems right here, my eyes. Ay, aging is right here. Psych. Gone. Gone. I ain't having it. I ain't want it. Step 2. Okay, all done. Then we're doing time day. Oh, this is night. This is day. Then you do step 3. It's been making my skin feel real good. This is suitable for sensitive skin. So, something to think about, y'all.